Detoxification products including chelating agents. Chelation was first developed for industrial purposes in the early 20th century and researched during World War II for its effectiveness as an antidote to poison gas advanced the use of chelation for other forms of poisoning. Due to a burgeoning awareness of the impacts of heavy metals on health, chelation is currently being practiced for medical purposes more often. Importantly, heavy metals testing and chelation address mercury as well as other metals such as cadmium and lead, all of which are stored within the body through a lifetime of exposures. This means that the combination of testing and detoxification has the potential to improve a wide range of health conditions associated with these heavy metals. Scientific literature supports the potential for heavy metal detoxification to improve health outcomes. Perhaps the most well-known study documenting the efficacy of chelation is from the National Heart, Lung, and Blood Institute, which sponsored the first large-scale clinical trial on detoxification in patients with coronary heart disease. It is also known as the first trial to assess chelation therapy, also called TACT-1. The results, published in 2014, showed that chelation therapy with disodium EDTA benefited patients with diabetes, producing the following statistics. Quote, patients with diabetes, who made up approximately one-third of the 1,708 TACT participants, had a 41% overall reduction in the risk of any cardiovascular event, a 40% reduction in the risk of death from heart disease, non-fatal stroke, or non-fatal heart attack, a 52% reduction in recurrent heart attacks, and a 43% reduction in death from any cause, end quote. The source of the quote is from E. Escalar et al. In Circulation, Cardiovascular Quality and Outcomes, 2014, January. TACT-1 is G. A. Lamas et al., and this is in JAMA, 2013, March. Not surprisingly, a variety of products and practices related to detoxification have emerged due to the interest in detoxification. Most therapeutic protocols involve plant-based or nutritional compounds that stimulate the body's innate free radical and toxin control systems, with a focus on glutathione and total thiol status. Chelation can also remove essential nutrients, so patients need to be closely monitored. So before we provide more information about chelating agents, we want to emphasize that they are very powerful drugs and they should only be used under the supervision of a qualified medical professional. Similar to the many options for mercury testing, there is no general consensus on mercury detox. So again, it is helpful to be familiar with the different types of products and even to research these products if a patient is using them so that you are aware of risks, benefits, and potential side effects and interactions. Pharmaceutical products used as chelating agents include calcium EDTA, penicillamine, DMSA, DMPS. Natural supplements, products, and practices used for mercury detoxification include chlorella, a fibrous diet, sulfur-containing foods including garlic, cilantro, and broccoli, supplements including taurine, alpha-lipoic acid, N-acetylcysteine, glutathione, vitamin E, vitamin C, hyaluronic acid, and methylsulfonylmethane, or MSM, have also been applied as chelators. Oxidative stress relief, OSR, was taken off the market as of 2010 and was renamed Erminex and is in the process of going through clinical trials in Europe and the USA. Sweating and infrared sauna, lymphatic massage, exercise, clay baths, saunas, and foot baths. Spagyric remedies, which are plant-based medicines, are sometimes used for detoxification. Mercury detox protocols include those by Andrew Cutler, Ph.D., Hal Huggins, DDS, Dietrich Klinghardt, M.D., Christopher Shade, Ph.D., Amy Yasko, Ph.D., NHD. A number of other protocols are now also suggesting genetic testing to assist patients in understanding limitations they might have in excreting toxins. One area that is currently receiving attention involves the MTHFR gene and its role in detoxification. Patients and their healthcare providers obviously have many options when devising a detoxification plan. Understanding the array of tests, products, and protocols associated with chelation and detoxification helps to shine the light on the personalized medicine that each patient needs to find healing and recovery.